Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where you join me here in Dubai Marina, but not for long because we're about to head to the airport to go to Sri Lanka. Now, I've been wanting to go to Sri Lanka for a while now. We've got some amazing stuff planned. We're gonna see some elephants, we're gonna hang out of some trains, we're gonna eat some amazing food, gonna meet some cool people and go on a massive adventure. So come and join us for a whole week traveling around Sri Lanka. But first, we need to find our taxi. Here we go. Thank you. Colombo, Area 1. Hello. Hi. Solid 9.6 kilos. Thank you very much. Well, that was the fastest passport control I've ever gone through. It literally just scanned my face, and because of the Emirates ID, I just walked straight in. Oh. Thank you. In true Ryanair style, we've got off the bus and now we're getting on our flight over here. Fly Dubai. It's now 3:30 in the morning and we're finally on our flight. It's been a long day. We had to get a corona test. We had to go and get the money from the mall. Woohoo! Had to say goodbye to the car. Bye! And then I checked the weather and it turns out it might be raining in Sri Lanka, so we've had to pack some coats. So let's get on the flight. Let's get going. We have made it to Sri Lanka airport. We're about to go and meet the driver and go and see some elephants. Another stamp in a passport and another airport. Here we go. The Sri Lankan cake. Made it to Hotel Elephant Bay. Oh my god! Look at this! This is insane. The elephants are going to come down here. We've got our own pool. Wow. So after what felt like a 24-hour journey, we're finally here and we're about to see these elephants up close and personal. Look at this. Tell me that this isn't the best hotel ever. You can literally see these elephants here. I'm hoping some of them are going to walk up to us. Wow. I just had one of the most successful drone flights I've ever had with the elephants, and we're now going to walk over there and try and see them up close for ourselves. So it's just about to hit 4 o'clock, which means all of these guys are going to start walking along the road. So I'm going to try and get some cool shots. And also I'm interested to see what the shops do here, because there's shops along this road, and I wonder if elephants just walk past and try and steal some tourism magnets. So we're going to find out. So there's also a trail at 9 to 11 in the morning if you want to catch them earlier. Elephants. They've got guards dotted down the street to make sure none of the elephants play up as they start to walk. Our hotel's just around the corner, so we've got a view of them. And the hotel was only 99 dirham or £20. So yes, to Sri Lanka, it really reminds me of Thailand. It's very similar, but very, very chill. Come on, elephants. If I was an elephant, I'd be scared right now. It's absolute carnage as the elephants cross the road. We've made it back to the actual elephant orphanage now, where these guys live, because there's also some babies inside that we're going to check out. So we paid 3,000 rupees to be able to go down to that beach and also have a look around the orphanage itself. Elephants, 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 elephants. We stop. Elephants hospital. Elephants. Baby elephant. So this is the elephant sanctuary in Pinawala in Sri Lanka. It's pretty incredible to see them walk down the street close up and then bathe in the lake. The actual sanctuary itself, there's not much going on, and it's just sort of looking at the elephants in the distance, but you still need to get the ticket to be able to go down that street and see them. Pretty cool experience. But we're going to go to a restaurant, get some food and go to bed because I am so tired. I just dropped my camera what else was I going to say? I need to shut up, but basically we're waking up at 5 in the morning tomorrow to go on a hike in Sigiriya up this massive rock. Look at this. This is the sketchiest thing.